In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a code on Steam. If you've received a Steam Wallet code and want to add those funds to your account, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Steam and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important because once a wallet code is redeemed, the funds are added directly to that account. If you use more than one Steam account, take a moment to double check before moving forward. At the top of the Steam window, look for the main menu and click on Games. This menu contains several options related to activating and redeeming content, so it's the right place to start when you want to add funds using a code. From the drop-down menu, click on Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. This will open the wallet redemption page where Steam allows you to enter your code. If you've never done this before, don't worry. The page is designed to guide you through the process. Now enter your Steam Wallet code into the text field provided. Be careful to type the code exactly as it appears. It's a good idea to check for common mistakes like confusing similar looking characters or accidentally adding extra spaces. If you copied the code from somewhere, make sure only the code itself is pasted into the box. Once the code is entered, click Continue. Steam will then verify the code, and if everything is correct, apply the wallet funds to your account balance. After that, you should be able to use the added funds for purchases on Steam, including games, downloadable content, and other eligible items available on the platform. If the code doesn't work right away, take another look and confirm that it was entered correctly. Also, make sure you're redeeming a Steam Wallet code specifically, since other kinds of codes on Steam may follow a different process. And that's all there is to it. Click Games in the top menu, choose Redeem a Steam Wallet code, enter the code, and click Continue. It only takes a moment, and once the balance is added, you're ready to shop on Steam using your wallet funds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.